Hi guys, Leslie here. So today I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to glue up a hand cut sign. Basically what I've done is printed out the template to scale of what I've already cut out. My backboard is complete and ready for the glue up. What's awesome about this printout is that since it's to scale, I left the top edge so I can line it up with the top of my board. If I had it just cut out here, what you would need to do is measure it out to make sure that it's in the position that you want everything. And then I'll secure it down with a little sticky. All right, so now that it's laid out exactly where I want it, I'm gonna take this. It's a piece of transfer paper. So basically what it does is it'll allow me to trace my design onto the backboard. You could also use something like chalk, or you could rub pencil on the back of your design to do this. What I do is mark just the edges. So I'll mark that little boop top here. These ones are a little bit trickier just because they're smaller. So I tend to take a little bit more time. I also always draw on the inside of the line, just in case when I was cutting, if I cut it a little bit too close. All right, so I'm going to take the transfer paper out from under it. Before I take it off fully, I'm just going to take a peek underneath to make sure my line's all transferred. They did. For the glue up, I use Gorilla Super Glue. This dries clear and it's really strong, so I trust this to keep my letters on, even if they're teeny tiny like this. So basically what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna do a dry fit before I glue, but I'm gonna put the glue on the back, and then I'm gonna take my piece of paper and just dab it off so that the glue's still on it, but any of the squeeze out that would come isn't gonna be on my board, it'll be on this paper first. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse of that so you can see me do that. So just to show you a little bit closer up, what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of glue on the back of that, but see how there's quite a bit? So what I wanna do so that that doesn't squeeze out all over my backer is I'm going to dab it, just like that. So it just takes off a little bit of the glue so you can see there. Now it's flattened out, and now I can put it down without worrying about squeeze out. So super glue dries super quickly, which is why I like using it. If I had a bigger piece, so like say I did a huge heart, I would do the outside of the heart with super glue and then the inside with a wood glue. The super glue would dry fast, acting as a clamp, and then the wood glue would keep that piece solid. So there you go. That's one way to do a glue up.